GstarCAD is a well-known computer-aided design software of high compatibility. With over 30 years of continuous improvement and lean innovation, now GstarCAD excels in performance, stability, and other key indicators, establishing itself as one of the world's leading CAD solutions. Today, we're excited to announce that GstarCAD is officially available on Linux. The Linux version of GstarCAD is compatible with Ubuntu, Debian, Astra Linux operating systems, and AMD 64 CPUs. The interface and operating habits remain exactly as you're familiar with. GstarCAD 2024 for Linux shares the same kernel as the Windows version, ensuring seamless support for a wide range of file formats, and full compatibility with all commonly used features. It covers about 85% of all the features in the Windows version. Moving forward, the 2025 Linux version of GstarCAD is expected to include more than 90% of the features available in the Windows version, along with exciting new updates and enhancements. GstarCAD for Linux also maintains the same superior performance as always, enabling you to open large drawings and execute other operations faster than other CAD software. Besides, its powerful API capability allows for extensive customization and automation, empowering you to tailor the software to your specific needs. Find more about GstarCAD 2024 for Linux on gstarcad.net.